Oh, Zethu Sanalami, Zethu, my girl, what have you done? What have you done? One thing that I do love, though, it seems like Zethu's mom is going to be more supportive towards Zethu, especially after learning that Zethu tried to eliminate our baby. Well, I do not know if the procedure will be successful or not. I guess we all have to wait for tonight's episode. But the Mabantlas aren't here acting as good people. Like, the Mabantlas honestly are so self-centered, and the only thing they seem to care about is themselves and themselves only. Now, I do want to see Zethu's mom, the reaction towards her finding out that Zethu was with a child, and because Zethu was so afraid of her, she resulted into getting rid of the baby because really the mom was yelling, shouting and all that at once. So she felt like, you know what, perhaps the best solution, best resolution right now is to get rid of the baby. I do want to see a bit of remorse from Zethu's mom. Honestly, if I don't see a bit of remorse from Zethu's mom, I'm just gonna be so disappointed, because I'm gonna be like, ma'am, are you aware that your child tried all this because she was so terrified of you? Like, you made her so much terrified that the thought of you knowing that she was bringing another mouth to feed, she resulted into getting rid of the baby. Like, this is all you. So yes, I am just looking forward to that part. I am. But also, yeah, I am shook and amazed at how Tlhathi and Thulani are handling this whole Zethu situation. Like, I am so shook. I swear the adults here is Thulani, and I don't know the reason Thulani is so soft is because he is fond of Zethu. Like, he's really, really fond of Zethu. We have a super, super, super soft, gentle spot for Zethu that he's like, oh, shame, Zethu, I really have a super gentle spot for you. So I don't know, his reaction has to do with love, clouded by love, kinda, or his reaction is just pure, it's just a pure reaction where he feels like his families are just not good people. His family is not good people towards Zethu, and someone must step up for Zethu. But yeah, one thing for sure, we are about to see the Mabantlas and Zethu's mom fighting over this unborn child. They're going to be fighting a nail in the tooth. Bring it on. Bring it on kind of fight. They will be on each other's throat, ready to slit one another's throats. That's the fights that I see brewing between the two. But I hope at the end of the day, they will be able to resolve this huge thing. And should Zethu lose the child, I hope it will be just a big lesson to all of them that honestly, everyone here is at fault. They all sidelined Zethu's feelings, and nobody, not even Zethu's mom, dared to care for Zethu's feelings. Anyways, anywho's Uzolani and Azande and Uonga. Why am I calling Azande Zolani? Azande and Uonga kinda hash out their beef. Onga is like, I'm not the one. Don't mess with me, okay? You mess with me, I'm coming for you harder. I just hope we will be able to hash out things. And you stay in your lane, I will stay in my lane, and for the peace sake, we just work together. The way Onga was falling apart, I really hope for his sake, him and Azande are just good. Because the boy was falling apart, hey? The boy was desperately falling apart. I hope they are able.
Sana, I hate the Mabantlas. They are so entitled. But not as much as I hate Zethu's mom. The way she is so dismissive towards Zethu, it's not cool at all. It's not giving supportive mom. So Zethu finds herself all alone and with no one to talk to. and she have to make a crucial decision, a decision that can change her whole life, as to decide whether she should keep the baby or get rid of the baby, because really having a baby will change your whole life. Now, I don't even know if Zethu have a support system from her mom, because her mom seems so self-centered, selfish, but the Mabandla are just as worse, if not same as Zethu's mom. They are worse. Thumeka, really, the only thing that she is thinking about is the fact that Linkamva will somehow come back through Zethu's child. That Zethu is going through pregnancy is going to be Zethu's body who's carrying this baby, and Zethu's life really will change. This may even affect her employment with the Zondo Technologies, because really she is an intern. All that is overlooked by Thumeka and Hlati. The only thing they care about is that. So really, Thumeka and Hlati, the only thing they care about is the fact that the baby that Zethu is carrying will somehow come back as Linkamva, or Linkamva will live something in this world. Really, that's the only thing they seem to care about. But Zethu is going through the most, and really I do not blame Zethu for even thinking of eliminating the baby. It's difficult, it's tough out there, and really she have no support from her mom. Her mom is a single mother, and she constantly reminds Zethu that she does not want Zethu to end up a single mother just like herself. And it seems like Zethu does have an older sister who goes by the name of Thokozile, who happens to have 3 children, and she left all those 3 children with her mom. So her mom is struggling with 3 children. And sometimes I get where Zethu's mom comes from, even though it's from a very much toxicity place, because yes, she wants to protect Zethu, but she's being very toxic about it, and she expects Zethu to help out in the house. However, when it comes to Zethu's mom being so much frustrated towards the Mabandlas, I am 100% in support of Zethu's mom. The Mabandlas are so frustrating, annoying to deal with, especially Thumeka and Hlati, very much toxic. And I think it took me a long time to realize that Thumeka and Hlati, they actually deserve each other. They are just made of the same cloth, okay? So now it does appear like they did try to go to Zethu's house to try and do the right thing, but then someone else will ask, the right thing for who? Is it the right thing for the baby, the unborn baby, or is the right thing for the Mabandlas, okay? Because really the only thing that Thumeka and Hlati talks about right now is that they cannot wait to be grandparents. They're going to be perfect grandparents. Zethu even asked them, go to, okay, you are out here talking about the baby, that the baby is the Mabandlas, this and that. But how about me? I'm the mother. I'm carrying this baby. I haven't even heard you talk about me. And really, they have not even say like Zethu will support you, Zethu will do this, Zethu will do that. So anyway, it does seem like both Hlati and Thulane will go and try to talk to Zethu's mom. Zethu's mom will be so much dismissive, like she will be dismissive. And I don't blame her. I don't blame her frustrations. Now, one thing that we don't know, but the episode Friday ended when Zethu tried to take the pills. We do not know how far did that go. We don't know how far did that go, or even succeed. Did Zethu really end up taking the pills? I don't know, but it does seems like when I'm watching the trailer, it's gonna be like Zethu will be in the hospital, and this is when Zethu's mom will find out that, oh flip, something is actually wrong with my daughter, something is wrong with my daughter. She needed me and I wasn't there for her. She needed me and I wasn't there for her because Zethu did needed to talk to someone before she made a decision of taking pills. So I do see like the Mabandlas are going to be in the hospital, and Zethu's mom will just be like, you guys don't get to be content in Zethu. You all do not get to be content in Zethu because you always so dismissive towards Uzethu, like really, really, really dismissive, calling her names, gold digger, this, that, and the other thing. And I'm like, yes, Zethu's mom, this is your time to shine and protect Uzethu. Zethu needs your protection from the Mabandlas right now. Like, basile abantu bakwamabandla. Rah. Meanwhile, we have Onga's drama and Azande's drama. So dragging and so annoying. I'm just like, listen, I'm here for the Cosmo drama. Like, the only drama that I live for on Inimba is the Cosmo drama. The only drama that makes sense right now, okay? Because every time they try to take us in the pubs and give us drama in the pubs, the drama just doesn't land, hey? It just doesn't land. Give me Cosmo. I'm here for Cosmo. That's that.
Umbuzo umile uyaxoka na. A question asked by Uthandeka to Uthumeka after Uthumeka has slapped Uxolani for telling the truth. Did he lie? Love it for Utumskesana. Now, the Mabandla family went to eat. Uthandeka even suggested that his men and Uxolani should leave the meeting, but Uthulani was like, no, we ain't going nowhere. We have to resolve things, even asking Uxolani to apologize to Uthumeka. But Uxolani was like, listen, I ain't gonna apologize to no one, and we ain't going nowhere. As a family, we need to discuss this matter. And at some point, you could feel a bit of remorse from Uthumeka, feeling shame, rather, that really they have to be told by a child what should be done. Now, Uthumeka later on asked Uxolani ukuthi, is he ready to become a dad? Uxolani, at this point, he have doubts, understandably so. You know, becoming a father or a parent is never something easy, let alone Uxolani to be expected to step up and raise Linkamva's child. Uxolani does say that, yes, he does care about Uzethu a lot, but really he does not know that he is ready to take father responsibilities. He also told his mom, Uthandeka, Uzethu is actually thinking to terminate the baby. At this point, he's not really sure if she should keep the baby or not. Understandably so, you know, the shock in Zethu. It's understandable if really she is not sure. Should I keep the baby? Should I not keep the baby? 100% understandable. But Uzethu, on the other side, she is dealing with her own stuff, okay? She has to confess to her mom, come clean, that she is pregnant. The pressure that she is getting from her mom really is completely unfair from just one person. Her mom is giving her so much pressure. Also going as far as saying that Zethu have to help her take care of the family, and Zethu is unlike her sister who left her with 3 kids. Zethu is such a good child, and Uzethu, you can tell that because of so much pressure that has been put upon her, she is terrified. She is afraid to shame her mom. You know, she feels like she's gonna be shaming her mom, and you know, she just feels so ashamed and that she has to carry all this thing by herself. Meanwhile, Uthumeka and Uhlati, the only thing that they talk about is becoming grandparents. Shame, they are so ready to become grandparents. And I feel like because they are ready to become grandparents, at the end of the day, it is Zethu's decision to keep the baby or terminate the baby. So I do feel like they will get a huge disappointment when Uzethu decide that she does not want to be a mom, and all their dreams of becoming grandparents will perish. Sana, feel sorry for Uthumeka and Uhlati, but yeah, I don't see their dreams of becoming grandparents coming true, especially because Zethu is so young and she's really receiving so much pressure from her mom, like too much pressure from her mom.
One thing about Uthumeka, akalifuni tu iqiniso loya mama, not Uxolani telling uThumsthums ukuthi lalela makazi, you are legit the last person to judge me, okay? Because Uthumeka was all in on Uxolani telling him ukuthi, don't you have shame taking over your cousin's girlfriend, fiance even, because uZethu and Linkamfa were engaged. Uxolani was like, I'm gonna take this opportunity to defend myself. Okay, Magazi, you are legit the last person on this planet to judge me. You actually took your cousin's husband, okay, and your cousin was still alive. My situation is completely different because my cousin is no more, okay. And Utumega, yes, Sana, you know, if the shoe fits Cinderella. Tumega was like, how dare you speak to me like that, and release a hot slap. Not Utandega defending her son. Uba like, lalela kaloku, soze, tums, soze, sana lwami, how dare you think you can slap my child like that, okay? And uthumeka uthi hayibo wena Thandeka awumvanga na ukuba uthetha nami njani, and uThandeka uba uthi nje uyaxoka na and I'm just like, oh Sana, I'm here for this two's drama. They've been friends for far too long. I'm here for the friendship collapsing, and I love it for uThandeka to stand by her son, you know, and vele in such cases you really have to stand with your son. I'm like, good for you, Thandeka, stand for your son, okay, defend your son. And I'm surprised why Uthulani was just sitting right there next to Dabs and just looking at things like Haibo. Like he, at some point, he looked very, very, very confused. Anyway, the Mabantlas now knows about Zethu's pregnancy. Like, I don't understand Utumega. At this point, I want Hlati to leave Tumega, okay? Because I can't tell if Hlati is truly happy with Utumega. Utumega, on the other hand, she's like, okay, you know what? Zethu is pregnant. That's fine. We have to be part of the pregnancy. And uHlangathu uba like, no, I hambi kanjalo kaloku lento. You know, we have to wait for Zethu. Zethu has to be the one who is ready to come and tell us and inform us ukuthi no, she's ready. You know, she wants us to be part of her journey carrying the baby. But Sana, not Utumega wants to take decisions for Zethu and be like, no, we are the grandparents, kaloku, you know, we have to be part of Zethu's child. Zethu was also very much disappointed finding out that Uxolani went ahead and snitched on her. Zethu is like, you understand what you took away from me? I haven't even told my mom, and you have already told the Mabantlas, okay? Like, I really, really hate how Zethu was portrayed as a gold digger, someone who wants to be digging some gold. And the Mabantlas don't look like they have gold either. I'm like, what gold does Zethu want to dig here, okay? Now, as soon as Zethu's moms find out about the pregnancy, she will try her best to convince her otherwise, saying it's very difficult to raise a child alone now that Linkava is not even around anymore. Things are going to be extremely difficult for Zethu, and you know, to keep a baby is very much unwise. So it's going to be so tricky for Zethu because there are Mabantlas, people who have never really welcomed her nicely, are ready to welcome her now that there is a child involved. And there is her mom, someone who has supported her whole life. It's like, this is a bad decision, babe. This is a horrible, horrible decision. Do not keep that child. So I guess everything else lies within Zethu. The Mabantlas can fight all the ones. They can fight amongst each other. But Zethu is the only one who lies with a big decision ahead. Does she choose to keep the baby? Or does she choose to just put all this whole thing behind her and move on with her life? I do believe that if Zethu can choose otherwise, it will deeply hurt Utumega. But again, this is not about Utumega. So Sana, I just knew it that Xolani and Zethu's relationship will definitely come between Thandeka and Tumega's friendship. Now that everything is out, now that Utlani have told his family that Zethu is pregnant, and not only is Zethu pregnant, but it is Linkamfa's child. Well, the old Tumega is back, calling Zethu all the names, saying that Zethu definitely wanted to trap Ulinkamfa. Now, I don't know if Utlani will go further on and explain that she and Zethu are in a relationship and she has offered